morning has come to the rainbow forest. Friends, what will happen today?
Leon loves colorful rainbow fruits. Yum, yum, yum. Friends are here. Shall we play hide and seek? Leon, let's hide well. Squeak, squeak.
Bomi is it. 1, 2, 3. Where are the friends hiding? Leon hid quietly behind a big leaf. Shh! As Bomi the tagger came closer, Leon's heart started pounding. Oh no! My rainbow pattern is about to appear. Tinkly-winkly! Leon's body sparkles like a rainbow. Everyone can see him now. What should we do? Found you! Bomi called out with a smile. Leon was found in no time. Leon's patterns turned a sad blue. I keep getting found. Leon began to dislike his patterns. Dusk has fallen over the forest. The forest became dark and quiet.
Wait, Bomi is gone. Bomi! Bomi!
The friends called out loudly.
Wow, Bomi's crying can be heard. Bomi is trapped in the dark, thorny bushes.
Bomi, wait a bit. I'm coming. But where is the path?
Leon made up his mind. He decided to let his rainbow pattern shine. Leon's body is glowing so brightly. It's like a rainbow lamp has been lit. Leon walked bravely into the dark forest. The rainbow light lit up the path brightly. Leon's rainbow light shone on Bomi inside the thorny bushes. Bomi stopped crying. Thank you, Leon. You are such a wonderful lamp. Leon and Bomi returned to their friends. Cuckoo, we're here.
Cuckoo, found you. I saw the rainbow light and flew here. I'm glad you're both safe.
Leon now loved his rainbow patterns. My patterns are truly special. Everyone came to love Leon's patterns. Wow, it's so beautiful. The stars in the night sky sparkle along with Leon. It's a truly happy night. Leon is now home and lying down comfortably. Friends, shall we say goodbye too? Friends, remember, your special traits make the world brighter. Now, have sweet dreams, everyone. Did you enjoy the rainbow party with Leon? Let's meet again tomorrow. Bye!